Good morning, everybody. Respected Minister, Information and Technology. It's really my privilege to come and speak in this forum. As I have understood over the years, 3 decades since I am working in the field of education and my last tenure in CBSE, whatever we are doing in education field now, assessment is really taking a center stage, whether as a government, what we have done, we have really achieving the objectives what our 5-year plans are saying, whether we have, since now it is 12th 5-year plan, and our objectives of equity, access, and relevance are still continuing. So we are into evaluating our policies. We are into evaluating the performance of the organizations, which is the issue of governance, and we are into evaluating the key functionaries and the systems which are there, and lastly the students, which is the focus, and how these student performance needs to be evaluated, whether it is continuous or summative or annual or semester or credit or semester systems or transfer of credits or academic depository of qualifications in the country. Certainly maybe 12th or 13th plan where we will be able to really accumulate our academic qualifications like shares, and the role of distance education and private partners has to come in. Today, our face-to-face education or formal education sector cannot cater to the requirement which our country really needs. As we know, we have around 20 million children in the age group of 14 to 20, and we have a target of 20% gross enrollment ratio in higher education and 100% gross enrollment ratio for elementary and secondary, which certainly our formal education institutions will not be able to achieve until unless we all take part in examination. And I'm very happy, especially in these forums, when I learn that how other organizations are working and spreading education. Just in the morning, in a very small discussion, I learned that how Microsoft has really developed a free software, free training program, and as well as evaluation for the teacher capacity building, which teachers can do in ICT. But many teachers don't know, and they are interested in doing these free courses and certify themselves, because that is a learning for themselves that, okay, I am trained. The need is that government organizations, my request is to all government ministers and functionaries to recognize these certifications given by private agencies and accumulate them into academic depository. Then only we will be able to really build India and certify individuals who are working in this field.